Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I got another rocket stock for you, another winner that we brought to you first before anybody else on the planet, and it has been an absolute rocket. A rocket of epic proportions, actually. Look at this thing. We brought it to you under $1. It's at $2.28. It's up again pre-market. Let's take a look at the US side. That's the Canadian side. The US side, GMTNF. We brought you this rocket first, interviewed the CEO, and it has not disappointed. All it's done is go up nonstop. And they got big news today. And of course, your boy's bringing it to you first because we bring you everything first. We bring you all the winners first. In fact, I'm pretty sure we've brought more winners than anybody else on the planet. That's a fact. I'm pretty sure we brought more winners than anybody on the planet. And this is one of those winners. So when people are constantly like, Rich, what's a good pick, Rich? Gold Mountain. Doesn't that look like it's going straight up? Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and information purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about or discuss here in Rich TV Live. We bring you the winners. We bring them to you first. Now, I'm not sitting here and telling you to buy this stock. I'm just here to give you some information. I'm here to give you some education. I'm here to talk to you about the rocket. I also talked to you about the rocket before it exploded, because that's what we do. We do it best, and we've been doing it for years. Now, the news today is pretty good. I'm going to be honest with you. It's pretty exciting. This has been a rocket of epic proportions. I brought it to you before it was before $1, currently at $2.28. So my simple math says it's up over 100%. But they got some big news, and we're going to go over the news. But before I go over the news, I want you to watch this video, because they got a secret video that only you, the people that are watching right now, first. Are you ready? I know it's early, but maybe you should get your popcorn ready. Make sure you got it buttered. It's good. You ready? Because I was born ready. I hope you were born ready. You're watching Rich TV Live, so you're probably ready. It's early in the morning. It's pre-market. Make sure before I even watch this video that you smash that like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. It's not fair that you're finding the rockets by yourself. Let all your friends and family know. I know it's early. Wake them up. Watch this video.
The purpose of these last two holes was to fill in some spatial data gaps, as well as to get JDS some geotech information they need for their current PFS. These holes were drilled on the 26 and 2700 veins. They were drilled to fill some spatial data gaps as we were pushing our resource to the northeast. We were certainly expecting to hit exceptional gold grades on the down dip drilling on the 1300 vein, and we were all pleasantly surprised to see these exceptional grades coming out of the 26 and 2700 vein near surface. Phase 1 relogging was extremely successful when it discovered a vein that was 216 grams per ton. Follow-up relogging has already identified another vein that was 47 grams per ton. It's really great that as new owners of the Elk Gold property, we were able to go out in this phase 1 drill program and hit mineralization in all 41 of our holes.
Boom!
Big goal going into this program is the ability to show scale of the project. Not only did we hit our narrow veins for our open pit scenario, we also hit underground intercepts that show the scale and potential at depth. Hats off to the team at ATG Exploration for a really successful phase 1 exploration program. We're really excited to get them back out into the field in May for phase 2.
Absolutely love it. Love it. Congratulations to members that are actually paying attention to the rockets. We brought you this winner first. We interviewed the CEO. There's nothing else I could do for you other than buy it for you myself, which I can't do last time I looked. But I can bring you the winners before they explode. I can bring you the news. I can continue to do the analysis, but I cannot buy it for you. That is for sure. I can't do it. But what I can do is I can bring you the news. I can analyze it for you. I can explain it to you. And then it's up to you to make that simple buy purchase. And if you see returns, you got to make that simple sell. And that's how you win. It's quite simple, actually. So let's get into it. Gold Mountain Mining Corp, GMTN in Canada, GMTNF in America, and 5XFA in Frankfurt, Germany, is pleased to announce results from the company's latest drill hole intercepts located at its 100% owned Elk Gold Project near Merritt, BC. These assay results extend known high-grade mineralization of the 2600 and 2700 vein systems and showcase near-surface gold grade consistent with the company's successful deep drilling results announced on April 14th, 2021. Additionally, the company relogging of historic core using the latest technology continues to uncover high-grade mineralization missed by previous operators. These are the highlights. The results from the latest assays extend the 2600 and 2700 vein and convey strong grade continuity, and the company continues infilling. Drill results include SND20-033 intercepted 1.3 meters, averaging 13.3 grams a ton gold, including 0.30 meters, averaging 56.5 grams a ton gold. Then we've got the SND20-033 intercepted 1.3 meters, averaging 4.5 grams a ton gold, including 0.30 meters, averaging 19.2 grams a ton gold. Relogging and sampling program uncovered a new vein intercept from a historic hole, SND11-128, yielding 0.2 meters, averaging 47.8 grams a ton gold. Gold Mountain CEO Kevin Smith. I'm so impressed with Kevin Smith. We had him on our show. Stock's been a rocket. Brought it to you guys at 98 cents. Let me show you guys. You know, you might not believe it, so I might as well bring you the evidence. Because people always like, Rich, you got any winners, Rich? How many do you need? Yeah, we got lots. Last time I looked, probably more than anyone on the planet, in fact. And we actually bring it to you before they explode. And we actually had the CEO on the show too, before they exploded. And that chart looks pretty good. It kind of looks like this, right? Yeah, it's true. I know I'm excited. Is it wrong to be excited when you find winners first? Is it wrong? I don't think it's wrong, right? But Rich, why are you showing us the winners, Rich? Okay, guys, look. I want to make sure everyone understands. This went from 76 cents to 234. That's a big winner. Now, I had them on the show and I discovered it at 98 cents, currently at 228. And when I was looking pre-market, it was up again. And why not with this big news, right? And obviously we're talking about it. So it's been a rocket. So yeah, it's clearly been going up and probably going to keep going. Just saying. GMTNF. And let's look at the US side. Since they opened up in America, it's only done one thing, gone up. It's all it's ever done. It's only just been going up. And we made sure you guys knew about this in America as well. So if you guys were paying attention, if you guys were watching, what's that saying? If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. And if you're watching and you're not winning, you probably don't know what you're doing. Because how do you lose on a pick like this? I mean, is it even possible? I don't think it's possible. Because last time I looked, there's only 2 red candles. Let's count on the green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 green candles and 2 red candles. But I didn't win, Rich. Okay. All right. So, okay. That's all I could say. All right. So, I mean, this is clearly a rocket of epic proportions, and it's been a huge winner for our community. Congratulations to members all over the world, in Germany, the United States, in Canada. This stock has been a rocket. And let's get back into the news. You can also go to their website if you want to do more due diligence, you want to do more research. And I suggest you do, before you invest in anything, do your due diligence, do your research, consult your financial advisor. Chances are when your financial advisor sees the pic, they're going to say, where'd you find this pic? And you could say, oh, from my boy Rich from Rich TV Live. They're going to be like, oh, I know that guy. Yeah, he's got some good pics. He actually finds those rockets before they explode. He's one of the only ones that actually, I'm pretty sure he's the only one that does that. Yeah. He's damn good, that guy. But yeah, that's another story for another day. But this is an absolute rocket. Look at that property. Isn't it beautiful? Rolling hills filled with gold. Don't we love gold? We love gold. We love digital gold. We love assets that can build us and create wealth. We love wealth creation. I'm a wealth creator, not just for me, but for everybody around me. All I do is create wealth. Well, this is one of those companies that's created a lot of wealth. And congratulations to those of you that are paying attention, watching the show, and getting in on the early stage rocket. And guys, what do you guys think? If you like the video, please comment on the video, comment on the show. Love to know what you think about this rocket. Did you ride the rocket? Are you still riding the rocket? Are you hopping on the rocket now? What are you going to do? I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not a vending machine. I'm not going to spoon feed you deals. I talk about companies every single day, and our success speaks for itself. This has clearly been one of the huge winners. Congratulations to everyone. In a market that's been choppy, trading sideways, small caps have been pulling back, even large caps have been pulling back over the last couple of months. This has been going up nonstop. So let's break it down, shall we? Gold Mountain CEO Kevin Smith commented, these results at the tail end of our phase 1 drill program bring our hit rate to 100%. Wowzers. Did he just say his hit rate is 100%? Has anyone ever had a hit rate of 100%? That is astronomically successful. Congratulations, Kevin Smith. You are a genius, my friend. You are a hero to our community. You are a hero to the gold junior miners. You are a hero to investors of Gold Mountain Mining. My goodness. 100% hit rate. Is that even a thing? How do you get 100% hit rate? 100% hit rate. Wow. Did that video say 41 for 41? I'm pretty sure in the video he said 41 for 41. That is unheard of. I don't know if I've ever heard of anything like it. It's actually mind-boggling, but it's true. And that's why the stock's been a rocket. Every drill hole from this program returned significant gold intercepts. Wowzers. The primary goal of the final drill holes was to infill data gaps in the 2600 and 2700 vein system and to further enhance JDS underground geotechnical model. Having these holes return some of our highest grades in a welcome surprise is a welcome surprise. Yeah, I don't think anybody anticipated you go 41 for 41 and hit 100% and have the highest grades possible. My goodness. Additionally, we continue to uncover phenomenal grades from our relogging program that is providing to be an economical way to fill gaps in our model. The Elk Gold Project continues to demonstrate excellent continuity and expandability. Now, I want to make sure everybody understands a winning portfolio is a diversified portfolio. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Do not put all your eggs in a penny stock that's at a penny. Don't put all your eggs in Bitcoin. Don't put all your eggs in gold. Don't put all your eggs in silver. Diversify. Diversify your portfolio. Have some big cap, have some small cap, have some safety, have some risk, have cash on hand for the next rich pick. That's how you build a winning portfolio. You are a money manager of your own money. So manage it and make sure that you've got a few rockets in your pockets. Your boy's I'm spoon feeding you these rockets. Literally spoon feeding you rockets. I don't really know what else I can do. I mean, I brought it to you at 98 cents. We'll check what it's at soon. Stay tuned. Kevin Smith continues. Gold Mountain finds itself in a unique position where able to deliver shareholder value, not only through our exploration efforts, but also through the coming transition into development and production. Guys, this is just the beginning. This is how you go from small cap to large cap. This is how you go from a junior miner into a potentially senior exchange listed company. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. Let me read that again, because that's pretty profound, actually. Gold Mountain finds itself in a unique position where we're able to deliver shareholder value, not only through exploration efforts, we're not just exploring, but also through the coming transition into development, pulling out the gold, and production, taking that gold and selling it. Oh, yeah. It's on. It's on like Donkey Kong. This gives us unique upside in the junior space, which we feel sets us apart from our peers. Go Kevin Smith. The market seems to be waking up to our story. You think it's gone from 98 cents to 228. And in the US, it's gone from $1 to $1.85. I say people are waking up. And if you're not, wake up. Wake up. We got a rocket. Should be in your pocket. If you're not winning, you're clearly not watching. We brought this to you months ago, and it hasn't stopped. It's true. The market seems to be waking up to our story, and with early shareholders staying long, there has been a great response in our share price. Yes. Management is extremely focused on execution and looks forward to continuing to deliver meaningful progress in the coming months. Kevin, we need you back on the show, brother. Kevin, if you're watching, let's get you back on the show, man. Let's get you back on the show. Let's get you back on the show and talk about all the ways shareholders have made some dough. Okay, let's talk about the phase 1 update assay results for near surface drilling targeting the 2600 and 2700 veins. You know, I actually like the way they write these press releases too. So many companies get so technical with their press releases. This is actually easy to understand, so shareholders can understand it. I think a lot of companies can learn a lot about Gold Mountain. These guys are doing all the right things. Assay results to near surface drilling targeting the 2600 and 2700 veins. The latest assay results from 3 of the final 5 phase 1 drill holes further extends the 2600 and 2700 vein system towards the northeast. The intercepts articulate strong consistency throughout the vein system, and with assay results showing high grades in each of the new drill holes targeting the 2600 and 2700 veins. The final 5 holes targeting the 2600 and 2700 veins were positioned to infill data gaps in the vein systems and maintain a 75-meter distance between drill holes, with the goal of methodically expanding the resource at the Seawash North zone. The company encountered grade and thickness levels that surpassed the expectations, with intercepts showing high grades rivaling its deep drilling intercepts. That's juicy. So juicy. This is nuts, guys. This is a massive gold discovery. That's what it is. It's an early stage gold discovery, folks. Core relogging program. Phase 1 also included a campaign to relog and sample historic drill core using the latest exploration technology to discover additional veins. The company found initial success discovering a new vein intercepted, recognized in historic hole SND11-132, yielding 1.2 meters, averaging 52.3 grams a ton gold, including 0.30 meters, averaging 216 grams a ton gold. Recently, the company uncovered an additional new vein intercept recognized in historic hole SND11-128, yielding 0.2 meters, averaging 47.8 grams a ton gold. With the discovery of these two high-grade intercepts, the company is bullish on the extensive relogging efforts that are part of its phase 2 exploration program and anticipates it will lead to additional adding cost-effective ounces to its resource estimate. So you can see the drill results. Below is a table of selected core drill results. A complete list of all drill results to date have been posted on the company's website at gold-mountain.ca, which I showed you earlier. So the website is a fantastic resource of information, guys. You can find all the information here. You can see the US, Frankfurt, and American listing and share prices as well. You can see the price of gold. And gold's been going down for quite some time, but it's starting to make a comeback. And this is one of those junior gold miners that's well positioned to take advantage of what a lot of miners are calling the gold rush. The gold rush that is coming. The question is, are you ready? Are you ready? So these are the assay results. You can see hole SND 20-033 from 186.9 to 188.2, interval in meters 1.3, and gold with grams per ton of 13.3. And you can see the additional results. I don't have to explain them all. You can see them. Impressive, impressive, impressive results. And you can see the historic core relogging. Now, we know there's a lot of gold lovers, gold investors that watch Rich TV Live that invest in junior miners and large cap gold and silver and copper and other types of miners. So this is one of those companies that everybody needs to be aware of. I mean, if you're looking to have some exposure to gold in your portfolio, there's very few companies over the last few months that have performed as well as Gold Mountain. And I mean, it's called Gold Mountain. It's a mountain of gold, people. Drill collar locations, azimuths, and dips for the drill holes included in this release are provided in the table below and have been posted up to the company's website for all drill holes. These are the drill collar locations. You can see all the drill holes and the elevation, the dips, the depths, and all the information on the table below. So let's talk about the quality assurance, quality control, QA/QC measures and analytical procedures. Gold Mountain adheres to a strict QA/QC monitoring program, quality assurance, quality control program, that includes the insertion of blanks, standards, and duplicates into the sample stream, as well as the resubmission of select samples for check assays by an independent third-party laboratory. Core samples were analyzed by ACT Labs in Kamloops, BC, using fire assay methods with a gravimetric finish for results over 10 grams a ton gold. No material QA/QC issues were noted with the results received from the laboratory. Who is the qualified person? The foregoing technical information was approved by Grant Carlson, who is the qualified person as defined under the geologist, under National Instrument 43-101, which is gold standard for miners, and the chief operating officer for the company. About Gold Mountain Mining. Gold Mountain is a British Columbia-based gold and silver exploration and development company focused on resource expansion at the Elk Gold Project, a past-producing mine located 57 kilometers from Merritt, British Columbia, south-central British Columbia. So you can find more information on the website. This is the big news, and this is another catalyst for the company, folks. Gold Mountain announces additional phase 1 assay results. In fact, let's just watch this video again. I think we need to watch it again. I don't think some people were watching or listening. So let's watch it again.
The purpose of these last two holes was to fill in some spatial data gaps, as well as to get JDS some geotech information they need for their current PFS.
These holes were drilled on the 26 and 2700 veins. They were drilled to fill some spatial data gaps as we were pushing our resource to the northeast. We were certainly expecting to hit exceptional gold grades on the down dip drilling on the 1300 vein, and we were all pleasantly surprised to see these exceptional grades coming out of the 26 and 2700 vein near surface. The phase 1 relogging was extremely successful when it discovered a vein that was 216 grams per ton. Follow-up relogging has already identified another vein that was 47 grams per ton. It's really great that as new owners of the Elk Gold property, we were able to go out in this phase 1 drill program and hit mineralization in all 41 of our holes.
41 out of 41.
The goal going into this program was the ability to show scale of the project. Not only did we hit our narrow veins for our open pit scenario, we also hit underground intercepts that show the scale and potential at depth.
Hats off to the team at ATG Exploration for a really successful phase 1 exploration program. We're really excited to get them back out into the field in May for phase 2.
Love them. Some big news, guys. Big news. And this is the website. You can find all the information there. And let's take a look at the stock. Shall we look at the stock? Could we look at the stock? All right. So where we at? So it says right here that it hit a high already today of $2.38, and it's already traded 76,000 shares. It has an average volume over the last 3 months of 186,000 shares. It's already hit. So we can see it's currently trading at 231. It's now traded 96,000 shares, so 93,000 shares. It has an average volume over the last 3 months of 186,000 shares. It's hit a high of $2.38 already today, and it's right now trading at $2.31. So this is just one of those rockets that just keeps going and going and going. And why not? I mean, it's a great story. It's hitting all kinds of gold. And it's just getting started. Let's look at the American side. Currently at $1.85, pretty much unchanged so far. Did hit a high of $1.88 so far, and the market is just getting started. What do you guys think of this news? I think it's huge. Been a huge fan of this company since day one. Congratulations to investors and members that got in early. And in my opinion, this rocket is just getting started. Gold Mountain, GMTN. You can see right now, currently sitting around $2.30. With this news, I anticipate it's probably going to have a pretty good day once this video circulates and people start realizing what the news is and they start hearing the results. I don't know if I've ever heard of anyone having 100% on their drills, and hitting 41 out of 41 is just unheard of. Look at the volume now, 99,000 shares. Like I said, the average volume is 186,000 shares. It's already right around 100,000 shares, and the market is just opening up. It's already hit a high of $2.38, currently at $2.30. I'm going to keep my eye on it. I hope you do too. Let me know what you guys think. Do you own this stock? Are you thinking about buying this stock? Did you buy and sell this stock? Do you like this stock? Let me know. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. We bring you the winners, and we bring them to you first. Gold Mountain, it's been a rocket, and in my opinion, it has incredible upside. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring the winners, and we bring them to you first. Gold Mountain, been a rocket. Hope you guys got on board. If not, put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. Let me know what you think. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm Mo. Peace.